This is the AI News Flash for May 21st, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, Bloomberg and Reuters exclusive. AMD commits over $10 billion across Taiwan's AI ecosystem, a decisive signal of Taiwan's strategic importance in the US-China AI semiconductor rivalry. CEO Lisa Su announced this at her Computex 2026 Taipei keynote. The commitment spans AI infrastructure, AI semiconductor manufacturing, and the entire ecosystem. Strategic partnerships expand with over 10 local partners including TSMC, ASE, Winbond Electronics, Light-On Technology, Hanstar Display, and Delta Electronics. This follows immediately after AMD's announcement of mass production ramp-up of the 6th-generation EPYC CPU codenamed Venice on TSMC's advanced 2nm process. Taiwan's positioning as the AI supply chain hub becomes structurally locked in. MI355X liquid-cooled Helios rack-scale full-stack AI platform production expands, intensifying the challenge to NVIDIA's GPU monopoly in AI infrastructure. This validates the sustainability of the $725 billion 2026 CapEx boom from the 4 hyperscalers. Dependence on TSMC's exclusive AI semiconductor manufacturing capability becomes structurally entrenched. Taiwan's headquarters importance actually rises, complementing the Arizona TSMC fab. Broad positive impact across Taiwan AI-related stocks is forecast. AI semiconductor supercycle beneficiary stocks should rally together. Next, Reuters detailed report. Asia's largest hedge fund conference, the Sohn Hong Kong 2026, brought together top global hedge fund managers. AI supply chain and Gen Z spending were selected as the 2 most important investment themes, a decisive signal clarifying global investor views. Major Asian hedge funds, including Oasis Capital, Triada Capital, Saganti Asset Management, Greenwoods Capital, and Treverve Trading participated. AI-related stock recommendations include TSMC, SK Hynix, Samsung Electronics, Foxconn, AMD, and NVIDIA. Active buy recommendations were expressed for AI supply chain stocks. This contrasts with Michael Burry's $1.1 billion put options AI bubble short and Norway's sovereign wealth fund 35% loss risk warning. Asian institutional investors continue expressing bullish views on AI investment themes. Gen Z spending platform stocks ranked equally important. Comparable to TikTok, Shein, Temu, and Pinduoduo as youth consumption platforms. Global hedge funds reach a decisive moment in verifying AI investment theme sustainability. This comes right after NVIDIA's Q1 fiscal year 2027 results, with record revenue of $81.6 billion, up 85% year-over-year. Important signal backing institutional investor commitment to AI investment themes confirms the trend of full-scale allocation expansion to Asia-Pacific AI-related stocks, a historic turning point for geographic dispersion of global AI investment. Third, BBC exclusive detailed report. Ukraine deploys AI-driven drone interception systems at large scale. The country reaches a transformative moment in airspace defense responding to Russian drone attacks, a decisive case marking a new phase of military AI battlefield deployment. Ukraine's Ministry of Defense begins full-scale combat deployment of AI interceptor drone systems. AI models perform multi-sensor fusion analysis combining radar, optical sensors, and acoustic sensors, detects and intercepts Russian Shahed-type drones operating fully autonomously in GPS-jammed environments. Production capacity rapidly expands to thousands of units. Low-cost expendable AI interceptor drone swarms enter operational use. Ukraine's domestic AI drone startup ecosystem rapidly expands AI model development and machine learning system supply. The country's defense AI industrial base undergoes full-scale construction, parallels global defense AI market growth seen at Shield AI Lucas and Anduril Lattice, matches U.S. military strategy selecting low-cost drone swarm intelligence software integration. Combat data from the Ukraine war accumulates as the largest driver of rapid global military AI technology evolution. NATO allies accelerate joint development of AI military technology. Parallels global trends of full-scale military AI implementation, including Pentagon Project Glasswing and European defense AI market growth. Decisive milestone marking a new phase of AI military infrastructure, physical AI, and autonomous drone combat deployment. Fourth, DigiTimes report. Taiwan's Auras technology officially raises its 2026 full-year revenue outlook significantly, citing surging AI-driven liquid cooling demand, confirms the explosive demand for AI data center cooling solutions, reaching an important milestone. Auras Technology is a major liquid cooling solution provider under Taiwan AVC. The company reaffirms 2026 full-year revenue growth outlook of over 50% year-over-year. AI server liquid cooling technology demand explodes. NVIDIA Blackwell and Vera Rubin generation AI servers' massive power consumption increases mandate liquid cooling adoption. Adoption expands in parallel with AMD MI355X liquid-cooled Helios rack-scale platforms. This establishes Auras as a top beneficiary of the four hyperscalers' $725 billion 2026 CapEx AI infrastructure expansion boom. Structural demand expansion for liquid cooling solutions becomes essential to resolve power supply and cooling bottlenecks in high-density GPU AI data center configurations. AI infrastructure peripheral beneficiary stocks rally alongside comparable to Corning optical fiber, photonics, and silicon photonics names. Decisive signal reconfirming Taiwan's central position in the AI supply chain. Connects to AMD's over $10 billion Taiwan investment commitment AI ecosystem expansion trend. TSMC's exclusive manufacturing capability dependence becomes structurally entrenched. Backs the outlook for record levels persisting in Taiwan AI semiconductor-related equity markets. A symbolic case of institutional investor allocation selection entering full-scale phase for AI semiconductor supercycle beneficiary stocks. Fifth, Insurance Journal detailed report. The global insurance industry reaches a phase of cautiously navigating the next step in AI adoption. Important trend formation as insurance company AI implementation accelerates, while compliance and governance challenge response gets serious. Major global insurers including Allianz, AIG, AXA, Zurich, and Progressive advance full-scale AI implementation strategies. AI agents autonomously process underwriting, claims processing, risk assessment, and fraud detection across all business areas. Simultaneously, they address data privacy protection, AI bias prevention, and regulatory compliance challenges in earnest. Cautious navigation stance becomes pronounced. The insurance industry accelerates a trend of parallel AI implementation and workforce reduction. Recent cases include Acrissure's 2,250 layoffs, HSBC's 20,000, and Morgan Stanley's 2,500 as the largest AI-related layoff cases. Structure of simultaneous AI efficiency gains and large-scale workforce reduction. Latest trend of white-collar employment structure fundamentally reshuffling with full-scale impact on the insurance industry. North Carolina State Senate enters deliberation on new regulatory bills for AI usage in insurance industry, medical claims processing, accelerating regulatory developments. Parallels, new trends of global AI governance framework formation, including EU AI Act Annex 3 High-Risk AI System Implementation Guideline Draft, U.S. 38 State Independent AI Regulation Laws, and Colorado AI Regulation Revision. Decisive signal of insurance industry AI implementation's most critical ethical challenge surfacing, with industry-wide governance framework establishment entering full-scale phase. That's all for this AI News Flash.